Hey guys, this is Katie with the channel Weather Spacify. Welcome if you're new, and a big hello to my returning subscribers. Right now I'm doing something really different that I really don't think I've done before. I'm actually earthing in the middle of a very busy outdoor shopping mall or shopping center the day before Thanksgiving. This tree right here that's basically looks like a wishbone, appropriate for Thanksgiving, right? Wishbone right here, see that? I was finding myself really stressed in the parking lot and kind of acting like frantic and weird, and I was like, what is wrong with me? What is going on? Why am I so anxious? Besides the fact that I get like socially anxious, I was like, something is off. And I was like, oh yeah, I gotta try some earthing or some grounding, but I didn't have time to go all the way to a park, so I'm like, you know what, I'm just gonna use a tree in the parking lot parked right next to my car and just use what I got. I was a little worried at first about people looking at me crazy, and I was like, you know what? I gotta do what I've gotta do to take care of Katie, you know? So I thought I would do a little video blog or vlog right now, just to share this with you guys, because surprisingly, it really has calmed down my anxiety, I would say by 70 to 80%, which is huge for me, especially in the middle of a shopping mall. Usually I get really anxious when I'm out at malls, because of all the people, but also because of like the crowds, the traffic, and there's a lot of electromagnetic activity at these places, a lot of 5G wireless technology communications like bouncing everywhere, signals. So I've got some EMF protective gear on actually, that I'll talk more about in a later video. But right now I was like, I'm gonna utilize Mother Nature here for free, take advantage of it, and just be really grateful and thankful for the ability to just be able to have the courage today to live my truth and stand by a tree, even though it looks really funny to the average normal person in today's society, because I don't know about you watching, but I'm sick of being normal or trying to be normal and fitting into this crazy so-called normal society. And I wanted to share this with you guys because it really has helped me. I mean, I literally just put my hand on the tree like this at first and just kind of held it there for a few minutes. And then I kind of leaned up against this one because my back or my neck was really sore and hurting. And surprisingly, it's really helped with the pain that I have in my neck. It's really helped calm it down, probably because it's really helping calm down my nervous system, because I know that I think it's like a pinched nerve or something back here. But it's just so crazy how healing Mother Earth and nature can be. And look at the sun behind me. Isn't that just beautiful? It's really just awesome. Basically what I'm trying to say is you can find beauty anywhere, no matter how crazy or hard or dark your day may seem. Take a minute, take a few deep breaths, give yourself permission to take 10 minutes or 30 minutes a day to just do something for you, because we ourselves have to stay centered and grounded first before we can help others. Like, I'm one of those people where I love to be there for people and help others, but if I don't have my stuff together, then I'm not going to be of much service to other people. So always remember to love thyself, know thyself, and forgive thyself. And what I like to add in is heal thyself before healing others or before attempting to heal others. So I just wanted to share this, and I wanted to say I love you all, and a happy Thanksgiving. I hope you have a wonderful Thanksgiving holiday with all of your family or your friends or whoever you're gathering with this holiday season. And I wanted to express my gratitude once again for all of you all. Your comments have been so sweet, so authentic, and so just rewarding to hear, and encouraging. That's the word I'm looking for, encouraging. So thank you so much, and I hope you enjoyed this little video blog of me in the middle of a shopping mall at this really cool wishbone tree, just in time for Thanksgiving. Hopefully you'll be able to find the wishbone in the turkey. I think it's in the turkey there's a wishbone, or is that in a chicken? I thought it was a turkey. I don't know. Let me know in the comments below if it's a wishbone in a turkey or a chicken, because I don't eat meat anymore, but I'm open-minded about that kind of stuff. Like, I don't judge people who eat meat. I've been on a vegetarian diet for a couple years, so I just kind of eat the side items on Thanksgiving, like mashed potatoes and green beans and veggies and all that good stuff. So anyways, yeah, happy Thanksgiving, guys. Peace, love, and light from me to you. Namaste.